card tutorial with animations. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to card website and log in or sign up using your email. From the dashboard, you can click Choose a Starting Point and browse the available templates. Pick one that fits your personal style or your company style. Then click Select to open it in the editor. On the home pages, you'll see the main settings and layout controls. To add animations, click on the element you want to animate. It could be a heading, text block, image, button, or even an entire section. In the side panel, you could go to the animation section. Click Add Animation and choose an effect such as fade, bounce, slide, zoom, or pop in. Adjust the trigger to decide when it starts, on load, or on hover. Set the duration for how long the animation runs, and add a delay to create staggered effects. Use the preview button at the top to see your changes in action. When everything looks perfect, click Publish, choose a URL, and confirm. Your animated card site is now ready to share.